Welcome to this lovely two-story home located on a corner lot in Linwood Crossing. This 4-bed 2.5 bath was built in 2000 by the current seller and has been very well maintained and is in great condition. The floor plan is very nice with a living room and dining room combination. The large open attic has a nice center island with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. This overlooks the family room with a gas fireplace and the morning room. The upstairs has 4 decent-sized bedrooms with the master bed having a large walk-in closet and a beautifully updated master bath. The hall bath has also been updated. The finished basement is an added bonus for additional living space with a custom built-in bar. There is plenty of extra room for storage or for a home gym. The HWH is approximately 6 years old and the roof is approximately 13 years old. Your outside features include a vinyl deck, patio pavers, shed and a fenced-in yard.